Hello everybody and welcome back. Today, let's keep exploring combinations of sounds and letters. And we're gonna see another common family of sounds in French, the nasals. And by the way, you can find all of the words we're gonna use today on our French course. So get on your app and start exploring them into conversation and context. Hit the link in the description to get started. And now let's go back to our nasal sound. A nasal sound is basically a sound you make with your nose instead of your mouth. Try to pronounce the words mom and nose when you plug your nose.
Mom, nose.
It doesn't sound the same. In French, we have three nasal sounds. Un, on, and en. In the words matin, magasin, pain or cousin, you can notice that the N at the end is not pronounced, nor does the E sound like a normal E. And it's because we nasalized the last E. Now the air goes through my nose instead of my mouth, and E becomes un. And there's a lot of different ways to spell this sound in French. And you'll find this sound in words like un, jardin, brun, chien, ceinture, or peinture. However, if the nasal element is followed by a vowel like E, this will change the sound because it changes the way we read the word. For example, from brun to brune. Head over to our course to learn more about these grammar rules. And here's a few more examples of this. Fin, fine, plein, pleine, américain, américaine. The second nasal sound is on, and you'll find it in words like onze, poisson, pantalon, nombre, or prénom. And again, if the consonant is followed by a vowel, like E, this will change the way we read the words, from breton to bretonne. And the last sound for today is en, and we have 4 ways to spell this sound. And I have a little trick for you to help you practice. Keep your mouth wide open and keep your tongue flat with a stick. And then try to say en. En. After a little bit of practice, remove the stick and try to keep your tongue down while you say en. And feel the air going through your nose. This sound happens in a very common phrase, comment allez-vous? Which means, how are you? You can find this phrase plus many more greetings and introductions at the beginning of our French course. Some examples of these sounds are pantalon, enfant, dent, ou dent. The letter N turns into an M in front of the letters M, P, and B. However, it doesn't affect how you pronounce the sound, just how you spell it. Décembre ou temps. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friend. You can also check our French course by clicking on the link in the description and start learning French with real conversations. Thanks for watching et à bientôt.